Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have yet another unboxing for you all, and I'm very excited about this one. You guys know I love my kitchen gadgets, so whenever a company reaches out to me to try and test out one of their products, I get very excited. So if you guys want to see what it is that I'm going to be unboxing today, please keep on watching this video. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to let you know that if you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll have all of the information down in the description box below this video. All you'd have to do is click below the video, there's a drop-down menu, and you're going to see all of the links and much more information about things that I use on my channel and this product especially. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this MAGICCOS digital food processor. So this is what the box looks like. It's a pretty big box. And it is almost like an oversized food processor. That's what the company has made it as. It's not a little mini chopper. It's not one of the normal size ones. It is a little bit bigger. So for anybody who does like heavy cooking, lots of grinding with their food processor, very often in their kitchen, this product is definitely for you. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to show you guys what is inside, and I'm going to show you guys how you'd put it together and to use it. So let's keep on watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I opened up the box, and the box has a lot of different pieces to put together. Not hard at all, but I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you put this food processor together. So as I was saying before, this right here is a digital food processor. Over here they have all of your different knobs and settings that you would just change to. So you have a max setting, you have a minimum setting, you can stop and pause it. And they have different settings for like different items that you'd be putting in, such as ice if you were doing meats. Anything like that. And of course you have your power button over here. Another great thing that I see with this item is that it has these little suction cups. So once you put it down on your counter and you press down, it's very hard to move and shake the food processor. As you guys know, whenever you're using food processors or blenders or mixers, sometimes they tend to shake up on the countertop depending on what you have inside. So this right here will prevent it from doing so. The next thing that I see in the box right here is of course the bowl that you would food process any of your items in. So all you have to do is put it down here and then lock it in right there. And I just wanted to show you guys some other pieces that come within this food processing kit. So of course here you have a little plastic spatula. This right here is great to scrape around the bowl. This way it does not scrape the bowl because it's a hard plastic, instead of using like a metal spatula or anything like that may scratch it up. So this is a great thing to have. And of course right here you have 3 different cutting blades. Now you know a lot of food processors nowadays, they come with these blades, so this way if you wanted to, you could grate cheese, you can shred carrots in it, you can slice things like cucumbers, carrots as well, different veggies. So they have all of these different settings right here. They have one with more of a fine grater, and let me just open this up to show you guys. They have one with more of a fine grater, as well as a big one just in case if you wanted like different chops on something. Then they also have one with a very fine grater, just in case you wanted it very fine. And this right here, guys, for my Guyanese and Trini folks, it would be perfect to shred things like coconut or cassava. And of course, this last one here is more of a slicing blade, so you can slice different kinds of veggies. And be careful, guys, when you're opening this. I'm feeling that, and that is a very sharp blade, so do not cut yourself. Now that I've gone over some of the different blades that are in the inside, I wanted to show you guys how you would put in the attachments if you were going to cut something within the food processor. So of course they have an attachment here that is going to go with the actual blades that it comes with. So I'm going to stick that down there. And then there are 2 different main blades that they have. This one right here, which is a metal blade, and this one here, which is more of a hard plastic blade. This one right here is for kneading. So if you were going to make breads or doughs or anything like that in the food processor, this is right here is what you would use, because you don't really need to cut whatever dough it is you're making. But this right here, of course, is for things if you were grinding seasonings, cutting veggies, and all that kind of stuff. And if you're about to put the top on, all you really do is put the top down, slide it, and make sure it clicks. Once it clicks, you know that everything is all good to go. And then you could put this piece down there, so this way nothing flies out of your food processor. And next, I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you were attaching one of these blades, such as the grater or the slicer or anything like that. You're going to see this piece inside of your package. It's a little hard plastic piece, and it's basically going to fit over this long piece in the middle here. So all you do is go ahead and line it up really well. And once you see that metal piece come up through here, you know that it's connected properly. And all it's going to do is this, it won't move around much more than that, it's secure. The next thing you'd have to do is if you were using one of these blades right here, you'd pick whichever one you're using, and you'd go ahead and just lay it flat down onto here. and you'd have to make sure that you press down a little bit. If you're using this side, you're going to get the fine grater. These big ones are more towards the bottom. And if you wanted to switch it, all you would have to do is pop this out, put this back in, and then you'd have to fit this part in the middle as well. Alright guys, that is all I have for you all today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video for this MAGICCOS food processor. And you guys, this food processor is absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed unboxing this for you guys, and I can't wait to use it in more recipe videos. Now, once again, if you enjoyed this video and you are interested in this product, please don't forget to check my description box down below. So this way you can check out the link on Amazon. And if you guys have Amazon Prime, it'll ship within 2 days. It's a great price and they have a few savings on there. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. All you gotta do is click that red subscribe button and the little bell notification icon so you never miss out on my newest videos. And of course, drop those comments down below. Let me know what you thought and let me know what I should cook up next or what I should unbox next. Bye guys.